My name's Hetal and I'm one of the founding directors here at Life After Hummus.
My name's Kush and I'm one of the volunteers here.
Hi, my name's Michelle.
Hello, my name is Cynthia and I'm volunteering here.
My name is Shad and I'm one of the volunteers here.
My name is Farah and I'm one of the founding directors, ops manager and coordinator at Life After Hummus Community Benefit Society. We are BME led and we are London based. We are a community benefit society, and in essence that means that we exist to serve and for the benefit of the community. We are also a Cooperatives UK member, and we have a very simple motto at the heart of what we do. Health is a right and not a privilege.
Every Monday evening since November 2018, even on bank holidays, we have been teaching 30 to 35 adults on how to cook hands-on, healthy, low-fat, plant-based, delicious vegan meals from scratch using only the freshest accessible priced ingredients. Cooking with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans and pulses. We have a 40% BME engagement, of which we are super proud.
And I just wanted to say that people come from all over London and learn menu planning, how to save money, how to flavor the dishes with fresh herbs and spices, instead of using other processed fats, and get the chance to socialize, sit down and eat a meal together, which I'm pretty sure you will agree with me, that is pretty uncommon nowadays in London.
As a society that is passionate about community, we operate using very limited resources, and this would not be possible without the help of our wonderful, wonderful volunteers and the support that we receive from Somers Town Community Association, the building where we are based. And now we want to give back to this community.
Somers Town is a small area in Camden, off the Euston Road, behind the British Library and the Crick Institute. And though it is located pretty centrally, it is one of the most deprived areas of the London Borough of Camden. It suffers from what is known as multi-deprivation, from poor air quality, a lack of affordable fresh food, as it is surrounded predominantly by supermarkets offering lunchtime offerings for the officers in the area. Loneliness is a major cause for those over the age of 65, and there is a high level of obesity among both adults and young people, especially growing amongst children, where 1 in 4 are now reported to be obese. And there is an early death rate in Somers Town, especially for men. And not to mention the impact that HS2 is currently having on the community.
However, with your support, we'd like to do something about it. During the upcoming school holidays from July to August, over the 6 weeks, we want to offer free hands-on cooking classes and some kickboxing to the children, young people and families of Somers Town on a Saturday. This would be a pilot project, and we would work with the community to co-design its future and apply for ongoing funding if it proves of value to the community.
This will help the family learn together, enjoy a healthy meal, take home food surplus which we receive from the Felix project, learn how to be creative on limited income, learn how to improve their health through the power of the plate, keep the little ones active and away from the screens, and chance to be just as a community.
Some of you might not know this, but holiday time for those living in deprived areas offers a real nutritional and financial challenge, where the children and young people would have access to at least one free meal provided by the school 5 days a week. Over the holidays, that does not exist, unless a community centre is able to pick up the slack. But sadly, in these times of cuts, there aren't that many of those services around. So you'd be helping us to tackle that a little bit too. And we'll send them home with good quality fresh food surplus, fruits and vegetables and dry ingredients.
We don't need a lot. Money to pay for a team of 3, subsidised hall rental costs thanks to Somers Town Community Association, cost of ingredients and some sundries, and ever so important printing costs for leaflets and recipes and some social media adverts. We're asking you for £3,530 to run this project.
And on Saturday the 13th of July is the Somers Town Festival, organised in collaboration with the British Library. This will be the perfect space for outreach, where we'll have a healthy eating table with some activities. Make your own red kidney bean burgers, with make your own banana and ice cream. We'll be meeting the community, and we'd love to use this opportunity to sign them up for the family sessions with your support.
To thank you, some of the perks will, of course, involve food that you can pick up on a Monday night, and you're able to see for yourself what we do.
Will you support us?